How's it going, everyone? My name is Chad Chapman. I run the channel Smashing Data 42. This is an update for my PHP framework that I've been building over the past year. I've been kind of MIA, just busy, just building things, adding more features, making this product sellable to recruiters so I can showcase my skills in full stack development. So First thing I want to go over is I have revamped the migration system through the command line, so it has a lot of the features that that can be found in Laravel. You can do batch migrations, you can do step back, a certain number of migrations, and all that. The last two projects I've been working on, or sub-projects, is unit testing. So the idea of unit testing is you write your test before you actually write your code. And my framework now has a fully functional suite of unit test utilities, all available through the command line. So instead of going through all this documentation, we'll do a quick demo about how the simulating GET requests work. So this is an example function here. So I'll just move this a little bit out of the way. So this is my unit test. So let's just copy some code. Actually, we'll just copy the assertSee. So in the home page of my framework, index/home, or wait, home/index, there's a text called welcome. So what you do from the command line here is PHP console test example feature test. And now we're going to filter this particular function. Well, actually, you don't need to, but you can do filtering for a particular function. Just paste it right there. Assertions, wait, save it first. Assertions 2, okay, but there were issues. That's okay. So now I need to get my references up here real quick. I am notorious for unscripted videos. So now, actually, I do not have resources for the email stuff. So the next feature I want to go over is I have built a email service feature for the framework. It does all the logging. You can create instances of built-in mailers for activation of an account, update password, reset password, your account is deactivated. And you can actually insert these into your controllers. And when a particular action and condition is accomplished, an email gets sent. So let's go through how this works with unit testing. So I have a test email, a test case here. So let's just copy this right here. Just copy it real quick. PHP console test, email test. Just paste it. So let's shrink this window down a little bit. Let's bring in, all right, I want to maybe delete that one. That's a little bit sensitive. All right, so this is my VM. I have Office running in it. Let me just resize it a little bit here. Alright, good enough. Alright, so now this is my inbox. I press enter. So we want to test a single email with attachment using a template. So what happens is you can create template emails with a defined layout. You can define your own layout or use templates or layouts built into the framework. And I run the test. Here in a second, you will see that the email has been sent. This is the welcome email for when you register the account. You can preview the attachment. It says welcome text email. Okay, that's just some junk stuff. So with that in mind, let's go up to the admin dashboard controller. We're going to find the password reset action. So now I need to figure out, since I haven't have any documentation completely set up, I have to look. So password reset mailer. Okay, so we want to create a call to the send to function for the password reset mailer class. It's just a utility class just for a password reset mailer. So password reset mailer, send to, and then user ID. All right, looks all good so far, but we want this to happen when the record is saved and the reset flag is set to 1, this user reset password flag. So if user set word equals 1, let's just move this up into this if statement. So now I have this set up to where, let's bring this here. All right, let's go into this record, reset password, click set confirm password reset flag. So what happens here when this is set to 1, when the user tries to log in, they will be prompted with a view for resetting their password. So click on that. Oh, shoot. It worked yesterday. I know what I did here. All right. Reset password. All right. There he goes. It was just me being an idiot. But you'll now begin to get the email reset password for this particular user. So that is it for this quick demonstration video. I hope this kind of demonstrates what I have been working on for the last 3 months since I've made this project open source on Composer. I will have a command for how to set up, or the links to the documentations and how to set up the project in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.